Hi, this is Kate, and this is how I marble dyed a graphic sweatshirt. This was my dining room table, and I took great care to try to prep it. And the reason why I'm dyeing this graphic sweatshirt is because it was white and it got very dirty. You can see the dirt here. I had been digging through stuff while thrifting, and I had just made it a mess, unfortunately. So what I did was I had several trash bags, bread bag, and several cut up bags, and I cut them up and taped them down to my table. Then using a Sharpie, I traced around where my t-shirt was going to be, and I laid down barbasol. Using a palette knife, I was able to evenly spread the barbasol in the shape of my t-shirt, and this is very important to give it a little extra room. Then using RIT dye and a wool dauber, I dropped RIT dye down all over using little dots of RIT dye here and there, as you can see. And I used the same palette knife to make a swirling motion to give it that marble print. I will list all the ingredients that I used in the description below. And it was kind of funny and neat because it made a barbasol and RIT dye sweatshirt on my table. I also filled up a cup of barbasol and I made a marble mix in that with RIT dye. So then I had put the t-shirt down and I had done some more marble swirling on top of the arms as well. And once I was running low, I mixed everything on top because that graphic part was important to keep to me. So I just kind of really well mixed and blended the barbasol and the RIT dye. So I let it set for 2 hours, then I washed it. This is what it looked like after I pulled up the graphic sweatshirt from my table. I really rolled everything up and just threw it away, and it made it easier that way. And after washing and drying, this is what I got. Now you can still see that there was a circle of where I put a circular piece of cardboard under the graphic to keep it safe from the marble RIT mixture in the back. And even though it's not perfect, it did cover most of the stains from my thrifting adventure. And the marble on the back looks really pretty, which is what you're seeing right now. So I actually really enjoyed this project, and hit like and subscribe if you liked this video. Thanks for watching.